Welcome viewers, this is the video for the mock custom build. The first thing to do is start at the front. Now this is the hardest part of the model to actually construct, and this has actually been rebuilt a couple of times to make it more secure. If you look very carefully there, we've got Captain America and the Winter Soldier looking out to us there. You'll be able to see the sea effect by creating using lots of different coloured studs, and also the multi-textured rock face, which we're really happy with here. If we come around here to this side, you can see that the Fantastic Four are relaxing by the pool. I say relaxing, but it looks as if Reed Richards is getting a little bit of a telling off by the Invisible Woman there. And also these windows show you that it is a multi-floored build here. The pooled area has a diving board and two sun loungers, as well as a ladder leading out of the pool. And if I can do this very carefully with one hand, if I lift this up, you'll be able to see one of the bedrooms in the Tony Stark house. We've got a bed there with a picture, and this room, which I suppose it could be used for a cupboard or storage space, or perhaps even a sauna if we get around to it. Over here we have the bathroom, complete with toilet, shower and sink, and also a kind of cool shower curtain effect there. And you'll see that there, those are the stairs that lead down into the main part of the house. On this roof section, you will see that Thor is chasing Loki, but we can actually lift this off in two parts to reveal the inner workings of the house. Now this front part is always a little bit fiddly. You have to take it off in three sections, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, that's okay this time. Now in this side of the house we have the staircase leading down from the bedroom, as you see, as well as a picture there, as well as a kitchen area. Very simple kitchen at the moment, but just trying to make sure that everything is in the right place. We can also go around there and see we've got a dining room table and some chairs and a fish tank with a very large fish in it. So if I move this up to the top view, you will see that on this 48 by 48, that's what it looks like so far from a planning view. Now there is also one more surprise here. You may have seen it earlier. If you lift this section off, you will see that there is the fighting ring, and we have currently got Deadpool and Wolverine looking like they are battling in there. This is one of my favourite sections in the house. It's got ropes around the ring, and also a very cool weight bench there with two different types of weights. So that leads up. Now on this side of the house there isn't a basement floor. That is going to be reserved for the other side of the house. So I'll stop this video now and we'll get ready for the next side. Okay, so to walk along now. Now this is what that first side looks like from the back, and if we walk along, we'll be able to see the back of the other side. Now here we have Black Widow, and she is currently trying to calm down the Hulk, although I'm not sure that using guns is the best way to do that. And also if we scroll up here, you will see that Spider-Man is currently battling with Venom on top of the rather cool skylight, which does actually remove, but I'm not going to. I'm going to remove it with the rest of the roof for this one. If you scroll around here, you'll notice that we've got a couple of plants, and we have got a pathway that leads to another entrance to the house around here, where if you scroll around the palm tree, we have Gambit there, and also with a door behind him. Up there you can see another bedroom. It's interesting, if I move to a different angle, you'll actually see that this is a floating room, which is very secure, but it's got a really cool design effect on there to look as if it's hovering. Okay, so to go into this house, you're going to need to remove this top part in one section. This is going to require two hands, so I'll have to stop the video. Okay, as you can see, that's quite a large piece to lift off. But then once you've done that, we can go inside the house and have a look to see what it looks like from the top. Now if I zoom in, there you go, that's where Captain America and the Winter Soldier were hanging around earlier, and there's a TV with a fireplace in there and an armchair. Also there's a piano with Hawkeye and a fountain or statue. And we can scroll around there past Pepper and Nick Fury, and there is the bar area there. And those stairs will lead down to Tony Stark's basement or workshop. Okay, if we follow this staircase up, we will lead to this floating room there. Now, we can actually remove this section, but I'll lift off the lid first. So that's what the bedroom looks like. And if we go here and look for some different angles, we can see that there is the bed and the picture on the wall. And this actual whole section does come off quite easily when you are taking it apart. And you'll need to do that when we go down into the basement section. So there's a couple of bits we need to remove. We need to remove this bar area here, okay, which should reveal the staircase, which hints at something else. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. I might need to stop the video again. Yeah, I'll need to stop the video again. There you go, you see that video, that piece comes off in one section. And if we go over, we can now see the basement area. Now, you might recognize those cars from the Lego sets. And also we have got the Hulkbuster there, as well as the American flag, which we got from Citizen Brick. And there is Tony Stark's work desk. And we might need to lower the camera for this one. There we have the Iron Patriots talking with Tony Stark himself, and some of the designs and previous models of the Iron Man suit. There's a supercomputer and sign also from Citizen Brick, and we've also got some robots in there as well. So this is one of my favourite sections, which I'm sure it's going to be for any person designing and building their own Tony Stark house, is his actual workroom. Okay. So there we have it. This is our build for the Tony Stark Malibu Beach House. We hope you enjoyed the video. It's my first one that I've ever made and taken on my phone, so and apologies for all the rough cuts and everything. Alright, take care. If you want to see more photographs, please click on the link and in the description below.